Hello everyone, welcome to the Next Is Now and a very happy new year. This is the first video of the series Data Structure and Algorithm with C++. I am Alok Kumar and today we are moving in the topic data types. Data types in C++. If you guys have any queries regarding this video or in between, you guys can comment down below and we will resolve it. Okay, so here are the data types which are being used in the C++. These are of int, char, float, double, long int and bool. Int takes integer type value and it is of 4 bytes. Long int is also the same as int, but it takes 8 bytes. It is of 8 bytes. Alright, here char takes character type value of 1 byte. Float and double is of exponential type data, and these takes 4 and 8 bytes, and bool is of 1 byte which takes true and false only. Moving ahead with the data types, here the initialization of data types in C++. In the first line we can see we are using hash include IOStream. IOStream is a header file which is used for input output, and in the second line we are using namespace std, so we don't need to use std before every cin or cout. Okay, now coming to the code, we can see here we had initialized integer type data as a, character as c, float as f, long int as l, double as t and bool as b. And in the second block you can see we had initialized the data. After that we are taking input as also, which will override the previous data, and we are providing the output of the same data. Alright, so here as you can see the topic is array. So array is also data type, but it is user defined data type. Here you can see in the first line it's of array int, array float, array char. So the first one is integer type array, second is float type, third one is character type array. They are taking the value as their type. This is, here you can see contiguous memory allocation. So array is basically a contiguous memory allocation. You can see the address 101, 102, 103, 104. Basically the address is in hexadecimal form, but to make understand I had put in this numerical form. So these are interrelated and these are indexed, so we can fetch via index, we can fetch array via index since they are contiguous. Now here the initialization of array. In the first block, here you can see we had initialized the array in the sixth line int array 5. So here we have initialized array of type int of size 5. Alright, and there we had used for loop. For loop we had used to take the input of the array. Then in the second block you can see we had defined the array in the sixth line, but we had put the value while defining only. Okay, and then in the for loop we had provided the output of the array the same way we had take input. And in the 10th line we can provide output like that also by index, okay, in the array. So basically the array input and output, we need to use for loop to provide the input and output for all the indexes. If you want to provide input or output to a particular index, you can use this index value in the square brackets so that it will take the index value and you can provide the input or output there. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you guys have any comment, you guys can comment down. And after the data types we will cover the structure, which is very important for the data structures, which we are covering in our next videos. This one is a basic video which are required in the upcoming data structure videos. That's why I had made this one the first one. If you guys want to know more depth basics of C++, you guys can comment down. I will create separate playlist for that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.